So now we are done with all these users, and all of them now we can log in. And now we want to go to the main PC here. Sorry. As administrator, we're just logging as administrator. And then here we're coming to this PC based on the task, saying that what's the task say for the next step. So then we have creates users and groups, and then we need to create folders here. A shared folder, accounting, and management. You just say share folder, accounting, and management. Okay, we're not making two accounts. And then let's do it. And then we will just do it based on all of this folder should stay in the company folder here, as it says. So let me to make it bigger here. Yes, in the main folder called company. So we're coming to the C here, C driver. We just say folder. We call it company. And inside the company, we create 4 folders actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of them is called shared accounting folder, management folder, management, and accounting. Shared management, accounting, staff, and we just can create one of them as IT staff. Okay, so actually we created 5 folders here, and now we have to give them permissions for each of this group. So you just create a new folder inside maybe this text here, and just write something here. Hi, this is Craft Center channel. Great. Save it. So great. So we just copy this folder just to show you how it works, and we paste in all this inside all these folders. Okay, so now shared folder, management, account, staff, read and write. But before we just continue about giving permission to them, and we have to know that what is these permissions: read and write, modify, full control. So I have already prepared here. Let me to explain it here for you. So if you have permission of read, means that you can read the folder and file, but you cannot create it, you cannot edit it, you cannot delete it, and you cannot change permission. And write, you cannot read it, but you can create, and you can not edit, and you cannot delete it, and you cannot change it. Modify, you can read, create, edit, delete, but you cannot change permissions. Full control can read, create, edit, delete, and change permissions. This is the differences between all these permissions options. So now we are coming to this PC again. The C company. So then we give the permission to right click, properties, sharing, security. In the security, as you can see here in security, system administrator and user PC2 user have access like modify, read and write, and list folder content, read and write. Okay, so we go to the advanced here. We need to, if you want to, for example, first you need to disable inheritance. So we have two options here. One of them is remove all inherited permission for this object, which will remove all of them. And the second one is convert inherited permission into explicit permission on this project, on this object. So we just choose the first one, and then we can just say add people to this user PC2, and we will just remove this one. We need to keep administrators as system and user always. Okay, and then you go to change here. Sorry, you go to the add here. This folder, what was the folder name? Just 1 second. It was accountant. So for accountant, select principal. Fine. Now group. So now we add group. It says select user group. We just add groups here. So accounting. So you just say accounting. Done. So now here we will give them a SAS. What is the SAS for accountant? I think it was modify here. Let's see what was our task here. The task say that, yes, here accounting should have modify SAS. Great. And then we go to the bam. Let's see. This is done. Shared all of them. Yes, we go to the, and then say okay, and then say apply and okay, and okay. Now we go to the second one. You see, company, we go to the shared folder, permissions, and then we go to the, advanced security here, advanced here. So we add all this group here, advanced. Yes. And we need to add all these groups for this shared folder. So now if you look at here, we have system that have full SAS, management, just have this SAS here, accounting and staff, IT groups, administrator has full staff, and users, PC2 has read and execute and list folder content and read SAS. Great. And yes, so now we go to the management. We will do the same with management here. Security, advanced. So, and then we just remove this one and add. And then you come here, find accounting. Okay, modify. Great. And apply and done. Enter. And then we go to the IT stuff, security, then advanced, remove, add, advanced, find, just say IT, groups, okay, and full control. Duh. And then we have this one is left here. We just make for staff the same process, advanced, remove, add, select, advanced, find, and this is just stuff. Yes, and done. And yeah, so let's check it what we have done. Great. So we give permission to all this group based on the task. We try and see if it works. First, you start with maybe IT, yeah, because only IT staff can have access to this folder. Who were the member of IT? Hiding? Yes. Great. Let me just open this PC here. C, and then company. So, IT staff here. New text. Yes. Let's see if she can change anything here. Hello. Save it. Yes, because it has full control. But let's see the other person if can do the same change for this folder. For example, David. Let's try with David. PC. And then desktop, and then company, and then you just say, so I think, open it. See if it can change it. Hello. Save. Do you want to save it? Yes. You see? It will not give access to David to change anything here. David can read, but he cannot change it. Here, save it. If you just save it, it will not allow you to save it. It say that, for example, here, the company IT staff new text document, you do not have permission to open this file. Here, you do not have permission to open this file. Done. Great. So just cancel it and cancel it and do not save. Great. Let's see if David can delete it. Do you want to continue? You need to provide administrator permission to delete this file. Okay? And if you want to delete it, ask you the administrator, which is PC1, PC2 code to delete it. Otherwise, you're not allowed to delete it as well. Great. So everything works perfectly here. Let's try the other with the other. Ahmed. So let's try with Ahmed and see if he can do anything here. If I come to this, see Ahmed accounting. Let's see if Ahmed can change anything in counting. Yes, this is Ahmed's. Do you want to save it? Yes. Yes, because Ahmed is in counter, so that's fine. So Ahmed can change here. Let's see if Ahmed can change anything in staff. Because Ahmed is not a member of staff, huh? So just say, hi, this is Ahmed. Save it. Yes. Yeah, we just say number 2. Yes. Uh-oh, you don't have permission to save in this location. Great. So everything worked perfectly. But as you saw, we created users, we created groups, we give the permissions through NTFS, and it was very, very simple. And you just need to practice it. And remember, you have to practice it on the virtual machines, not on your own system or PC, if possible. And I hope that this video was useful. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.